Welcome back to Taylor's Kitchen. Tonight we take this and we take this and we make them into Dauphinoise. Cue the music! Back to Taylor's Kitchen. Yes, we're going to make Dauphinoise potatoes today. It is a bank holiday, so cheers everybody. Dauphinoise potatoes, cream, onions, potatoes, obviously, and garlic, and it is amazing. So I'm not sure whether you've actually had this before. Maybe you have, but Dauphinoise is something that you can have any time of the week, the weekend. It complements Sunday lunch, and it's so easy to do, and yet people don't know how to do it. And sometimes you go to places, restaurants, and you go, oh, that was bland. So let me show you how I do it. This is the way that I was taught, and this really does taste exceptional. So hopefully you can get hold of it. So we've got some parboiled potatoes, and all I'm going to do is to cut them very thinly like this. Okay, so you can see this now, and everything that I do is in the pressure cooker. So these are done in the pressure cooker, and at the same time I put an onion in, which I've chopped up as well, and so we have the onion parts there, so you can see this. Hopefully there's the onion. I'll put that on there to one side. And the first thing that we do is we give the bottom of the dish some salt and some pepper. Okay, and then we'll start to layer the potatoes there. Cut as thinly as you can, because they've all got to cook at the same time. So when you cut them, they've all got to be the same thickness. All right. So we've done that. There's our garlic puree. A little tiny bit of garlic puree in between. And get a spoon and spread it out. Okay, like that. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and we put the onion on that we've already cooked with the potatoes. There's the onion, like that. And then we get the potatoes again, and we do exactly the same, and we layer it up. Cracked pepper. And then we get our double cream. I'll just show you how. This is for Lizzie, by the way. Has the double cream. Lizzie, you watching? You pour this on very gently like this. Okay. Ooh, see what I mean? I'm being gentle all the way to the bottom, so it comes all the way up. Now the beauty of this is you can do it 24 hours in advance. That's what we're looking for at the end. And if you do it 24 hours in advance, cover it up, and then when you come to do your meal, you put it in the oven, and that'll probably take about 40 minutes, and you see it sort of bubble up and everything else. So I'm going to serve this one today with pork. You'll see it all at the end. So that's how we do it. Rewind. There we go. That's what it should look like. I'll be back when it's cooked.
Wake up.